tunneling is a booming industry. There's always challenges with resources. There's always challenges with funding. The projects are big. The projects are expensive. And so when you think about those challenges and what our projects are, there are headwinds, but there's also a real commitment to drive lots of different industries in a direction that has to go underground. That you can't move the numbers of people you need to around cities with cars. It's impossible. So you have to have transit. It can't be on the surface. Underground means you have no maintenance, you have no freeze-thaw issues, you have very few other durability concerns. You don't have the seismic issues even. You have much less of an environmental impact if you're underground. You use less materials. So for all of these reasons, we're being driven in a direction where underground is the way to go. I think that there's many, many different directions that you can look, but the environmental impact and the resources are driving a lot of stuff underground. And I think that that's obviously great for our business, but I think it's also indicative of how what the foresight was for LJB to get involved in that side of the industry.